Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 49, and this concludes week 7 of the daily crypto installment program. Here's a record of my crypto purchases on February 28th, 2025. I'm still paying in installments as usual. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. This video isn't just about showing off how to buy crypto with small change, but also includes lessons about crypto, starting from the basics and progressing in depth. So, watch this video until the end and don't forget to subscribe to ensure you learn more about the world of crypto at a higher level. This will give you more confidence to start investing. Before we discuss today's topic, for those of you who often ask what app one used to buy crypto and whether I use AI, please see the answers in the description of this video. Today, there won't be much technical theory. I just want to share a personal reflection. These 7 weeks of investing in crypto have truly proven that slowness can be strength. I don't know, it took a long time to start. I stopped for a while, but I'm back again. Now I understand more about blockchain, wallets, gas fees, smart contracts, and much more. Not because I'm a genius, but because I'm persistent. If you're just starting out, just start. You don't need to understand everything. If you've been on hiatus, that's okay. The important thing is to get back to it. And for those of you who are younger, please help your parents, retirees, or anyone who needs to learn. With one click of your share, you can help someone understand crypto today. See you in week 8.